What's up, everyone? Welcome to CodeWizNik, the place where coding becomes fun and easy.
Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeWizNik, and in today's video we are going to learn how to set up a GitHub account and upload your project or code to GitHub the easy way. Mainly there are two ways to set up GitHub. First one is through the browser, that is cut, copy and upload. That's the simple way, and it's also known as a drag to drop method. And second is by connecting it with VS Code and using some git commands. But in this video, we will focus on the browser method. And in the next video, we will do it through VS Code with commands in a super easy and understandable way. So let's start it and type here github.com and click upon sign up. Write in here @gmail.com. Done. Pass right here password and then after write your username, suppose CodeWizNik, and then after checkbox, and after that continue. Click upon continue. Then let's verify your account. After it, a visual puzzle appears. Right, right now click upon it. Verify your account. And here confirmation for email address. You will get a link in your inbox. That's continue. Right here. Username or email address. So we write here its email, and after it its password, and then click upon sign in. Once you sign up and log in, this is your GitHub dashboard and the main screen where you will manage all your projects. Right now it's empty, so let's create your very first project, which is called repository. So click on the plus icon at the top right and select a new repository. Here we will found a repository name. So we will fill out some details to create our project space. For example, we write here repository name should be like as a, this is my first project, so we write here my first project. Done. Then after it's a description, and description it is a optional. You can write something like this is my first project on GitHub, or it may be left. So we write here this is my first project on GitHub. Done. And after that choose public, so others can see, or private, you only you can see. So already we have to left it default. And then after tick add a readme file, which helps explain what your project is about. And then after click create repository. A repository is just a folder on GitHub where your code lives. Inside this folder, you can keep your files, images, code, and documents, just like a real project folder on your computer. Now, inside a repository, you can also create folders. These are called directories, and they can help you organize your project, like keeping your HTML files in one folder, images in another, and so on. I will show you how to create these files, directories, subfolders. Now let's upload our code and click on add file. After that, go to upload files, and here you can drag and drop your project files or folders from your computers or laptops. So right now I'm going to drag files and drag it files and uploading this file. A file is uploaded. Index.html, and then write a simple message here like uploaded project files, and this is called a commit message. So we can write anything just like uploaded loaded project file, done. And then it's commit change. Your code is now live on GitHub. You can click on any file to view it online. That is, right now I'm going to click upon it. Here we can see our code, and to share your project with someone, just copy the URL from the top. That's your project link. So this is how you upload your project to GitHub without any command, just using your browser. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will level up and learn how to do this with VS Code and Git commands, the real developer workflow. Thank you.